Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to view customer payment history in Wave. This is perfect for keeping track of who paid, when they paid, and how much they paid. Let's jump in. First, log into your Wave account. Now on the left hand menu, once you're logged in, you're going to click on sales and then choose customers. This will take you to your full customer list. Now click on the name of the customer whose payment history you want to view. Once you're inside their profile, scroll down to the section labeled activity. Here you're going to see a detailed timeline of all interactions with that customer, all the sent invoices, the payment received, and outstanding balances. To drill deeper, all you got to do is click on any invoice listed there and open it up. You're going to be able to view the full payment record for that invoice, including the payment date, amount received, method of payment, and whether it was bank transfer, credit card, or manual entry. You can also filter by status using the drop-down menu at the top to show only paid, unpaid, or overdue invoices. This is a great way to stay on top of your cash flow, follow up with late paying clients, or to simply verify payment history for reporting or tax purposes. That's all there is to it. Wave makes it super easy to track your customer payments. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.